Everybody needs an easy, classic chili recipe that you can pull out of your back pocket. So whether you need to enter a last-minute chili cook-off or you just have to feed a crowd at your house, this classic, easy chili is the way to go. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and don't be intimidated. I'm doing mine on the grill, but you can totally do this on your stovetop too.
We're gonna kick things off by sauteing our ground beef in a large cast iron skillet, or like I said, you can use a heavy bottom pan on your stovetop. Once that's nice and browned, we're gonna add in a diced yellow onion, diced red bell pepper, and a diced jalapeno pepper. It's not gonna be too spicy, so you can add the seeds in with the jalapeno if you want a little bit more heat. A few cups of beef stock, and here you can get a little bit custom if you would like, and swap out some of the beef stock for some beer if you want a slightly richer flavor. A can of diced tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, and a whole entire can of tomato paste, because I hate recipes that only use like 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then what do you do with the rest of the can? To this, I add in a couple of cans of red kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained, and then I go heavy with my Fiesta Rub seasoning. This has all of the seasonings and chili spices that you need to make really exceptional chili. I have the recipe to make your own Fiesta Rub on my website, or you can pick up your own bottle from store.heygrillhey.com, and it will save you an entire step, and you will have super, super delicious chili. At this point, you pop the lid on, and you want to let it simmer over low to medium heat for a good at least 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to thicken and come together. If you want to go even longer, you can let this simmer at a really low temperature, stirring occasionally for 1 to 2 hours, and it'll really give you a nice, robust, rich, well-developed chili.
Our chili has been simmering on the grill for about 20 minutes. If you're doing this on the stovetop over low, plan on like 25 to 30. This is a little bit higher temperature than I normally get on my stovetop, so it went a little bit faster. Just make sure you stir it often so you don't worry about the bottom burning. And then it's ready to go once it reaches the consistency you like. I'm super happy with this. If I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, I could let it cook a little bit longer. But now we just get to dish it up. Wow, that looks so good. It's kind of chilly out here today. I did not say that on purpose. It's a little bit cold out here today, but this chili smells warm. This is just the ticket. Now you can load up your chili however you like. I am a big fan of some shredded cheese, a good dollop of sour cream, just to cool things down a little bit from the jalapeno and the chilies and the Fiesta Rub, and then some fresh sliced green onions. Now this is the type of chili that I grew up with. Hearty, yes it has beans, ground beef, tomato flavor, chilies but not too spicy. I think this is a chili that everyone can get behind and everyone will enjoy. I know I'm about to enjoy some chili. Hot dang. That is some really fantastic chili. I think you're gonna love this one. You can grab the recipe on my website, heygrillhey.com. See you next time.